wanted to take this course for a couple of years. Last year I got pregnant and had my daughter, and so now it's more meaningful because I wanted to be able to teach her. So her father's heritage is woodworking, and it's so important to them. And I wanted to be a part of it, so I'm really thankful for this. It's important to see other women doing things. It makes you think as a woman that you can do it. And so that's why doing a women's carpentry class was important to me. I had noticed that watching my own mother be in STEM and doing STEM outreach and that stuff, it's important for women to show other women how to do things. It's great working with men. It's a different mindset they bring to the table, and it's nice that women and men can bring that diversity and different ways of thinking. But it's also nice just to be around a bunch of women and learn things at our pace and explain things in a different way than maybe some other people would have explained it. And yeah, I really appreciate that. It's really important to have those influences in your life as a woman, and everybody here is a really good teacher and really opens the doors for you.